As usual, we have come to create awareness about corona. Now, it has reached to a level where we have to learn new lessons about lifestyle changes, because it is forcing us to change our lifestyle. It is asking us to become simple. It is asking us to go back to nature. It is forcing us to keep away from ourselves from the junk food. It is saying that the zoonotic diseases are there in the seasons. You must be cautious of zoonotic diseases. These zoonotic diseases, which are taking birth from animals to humans, that we have to understand, and we must be ready to keep away ourselves from eating animals for a temporary period. Because zoonotic diseases come to this world through animals to human beings. And this particular corona have taught us that from animal to human and from human to human. So we have to take two precautions at a time. That first of all, let us stop temporarily all the animals, eating all the animals, and while stopping this eating, what we are doing, we are not prepared to recur the infections arising from zoonotic diseases, animals. This is one part. Our elders, ancient people, have taught us that during summer, hot summer, all the viral infections come out. These viral infections influence human health. So it is better to stop the animal food temporarily for this season. After that, one may become as usual and one can eat as they want. Now, the thing is, lifestyle changes that we must become vegetarians for this period, because it is these vegetables which has medicinal properties to cure, that we have to understand. Our ancient people, our elders have taken it and proven their health successfully, because during the epidemics in the past, they have proved with the help of these vegetables only, not by animal food. Animal food have no, except one or two diseases like marasmus, where protein is necessary to improve the condition of the marasmus. Whereas in other diseases, not at all, animal food is not at all necessary, because we have to understand the importance of vegetables. Now, this lifestyle change is necessary to counteract the corona. What is there? We have to understand what is the effect and what is there inside it. So, we have to keep in mind that we are leading a life of stressful life. We must have proper sleep, we must have proper food, proper vegetables. It must be simplified in any way. It is the corona is forcing us to become a simple man. A simple man. We have been leading a complex life with stress. It is forcing us, let us change our lifestyle to simplicity. This warning, if we do not agree, we have to suffer. The entire generation have to suffer. That we have to understand very, very clearly. So, now let us see what is there. The genetics part, everyone knows what happens. The genes never listen, because they work independently. We have to listen to them. They don't listen to us. So, always the genetic mutations takes place from animal to human or human to human, but not plant to human, because plants have no tendency to influence in a negative way, except poisonous plants. So now, what is there? Let us see. Can we search anything from our kitchen? That we have to see first. Because one thing we have to understand here, we have different systems. We have come to know that at present more than 225 therapies are working in this globe. Every therapy has its own merits and have its demerits. Even then, we are not able to acquire totally the health. So, depending upon only a system of English system, which is not at all suitable to Indian conditions, I think we are still making our life more complex with this system of allopathy. Because this system have eaten away all the other systems, the ancient systems, the alternative systems, and all that. Because this system have grabbed the entire money from the entire globe, and in such a way it is dominating the human civilization. Now let us understand what is there in the kitchen. Because see, one thing is there, we have to understand very clearly. There is no particular system or there is no particular study which combines different therapies or different systems at one place so that the human being can avail the better benefits of the therapies or the systems. There is no such platform in this world. So whatever we have, we know that as Indians, we know that the particular system works for this disease, particular system is working for other disease, and we go to particular diseases, like for example, Panchakarma is there from Ayurveda. When sciatica patient is there, everyone knows that when sciatica patient or backache is there, that man goes to Panchakarma, not allopathy, and he gets healed. Within 15 days to 1 month, he gets healed. And it is this command by which we are satisfied. We know that every system have its merits. So we have to understand, I feel that if there is any platform, comparative platform, to combine all the healing systems at one place, so the competition at the global, the economic empowerment of the allopathic system will almost easily will come down. As it is not there, now it is demanding us to develop a platform to heal such viruses through alternative medicines. It is this platform can encounter any type of virus.